Students, I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking 4th standard English subject. Today's topic is lesson number 6, a memorable trip to Goa. Let's continue the lesson, a memorable trip to Goa. Soon all of them headed gingerly along the wet sand to where the scooter drivers waited. Soon all of them means Chintu, Tina, and their parents, all of them headed gingerly. Meaning of gingerly is in a very slow and careful way, usually because you are injured or afraid of something. They very slowly along the wet sand to where the scooter drivers waited. How they loved it, the salty spray in their faces and the magnificent speed of the scooters were thrilling beyond words. So they loved it very much because the salty spray, because the sea water is salty, so the salty spray in their faces and the magnificent speed of the scooters, they all were enjoying the ride of the scooter in the sea. So the magnificent speed of the scooters were thrilling. Thrilling means extremely exciting. Thrilling means exciting. So that were the beyond the words. So they have no words to explain. They are very excited to take the ride of the scooter in the sea. So much so that Chintu was soon imagining himself as the dashing James Bond in spite of the strict instruction by the scooter driver to hold him tightly. So, during the ride of the scooter, Chintu imagined himself as the dashing James Bond in spite of strict instructions of the scooter driver. So, scooter driver instructed Chintu very strictly to hold him very tightly. But in spite of that, Chintu imagined himself, he thinking himself as the dashing James Bond. Chintu was so excited that he started to weigh out his imaginary fans. It was his misfortune that the scooter took a rather sharp turn that very minute, and the next Chintu found himself in the sea. So, scooter driver instructed him very strictly that to hold him very tightly in the sea when they are riding on the scooter. But in spite of that also, Chintu imagined himself as a James Bond, and because of this, scooter took very sharp turn and Chintu fell into the sea, and Chintu found himself in the sea, spluttering and coughing. Spluttering means making noises with your mouth because you suddenly cannot breathe or swallow normally. Spluttering means making noise with your mouth because you suddenly cannot breathe, and coughing serves you right. So Chintu did not follow the guidance or instructions of the scooter driver and he fell into the sea. Chintu found himself in the water, in the sea. Hissed the scooter driver, pulling him out of water. What do you think you were doing? Now the scooter driver hissed him and he scolded. He became the angry on the Chintu. He told to Chintu, what do you thinking you were doing? Hi there, hero, heard Chintu from behind, and a scooter jipped by spraying Chintu once again with the sea water. Hi there, hero. Like these words, Chintu heard from behind him. Chintu heard, hi, hero, and a scooter jipped by spray Chintu once again with sea water. Now once again Chintu went for the ride, went for in the sea. Chintu just caught sight of two men on it grinning widely. So that time Chintu saw the sight of two men on it grinning widely. Since then, Chintu and Tina noticed, much to their concern, that that wherever they went, those two men also appeared, though they never said anything apart from an embarrassing hi hero to Chintu. So, Chintu and Tina both observed that wherever they went, the two men also appeared. The two men following, they two men appear, two men following the Chintu and Tina. Wherever Chintu and Tina went, the two men also appeared there, though they never said anything apart from an embarrassing hi hero to Chintu. The two men were not talking anything else, not saying anything else. They were only saying an embarrassing. Embarrassing means making you feel nervous or ashamed. Making you feel nervous or ashamed. Hi hero to Chintu. Only they were saying hi hero to Chintu. With the hundreds of kidnapping stories buzzing in his mind, Chintu started watching out for them before reporting anything to their parents. So Chintu saw many of the kidnapping stories so buzzing in his mind. Chintu started to keep watching to them before he could say anything to his parents. He started to watching them. He became really worried when he found that the men were staying in the same hotel as them. So Chintu became very worried. He became very worried because he found that the two men were staying in the same hotel where the Chintu and their parents stayed. Finally, one day when he caught them making his and Tina's picture, he was furious. Finally, one day, Chintu caught the two men when they were capturing the Tina's and Chintu's photos. Furious means he was very furious. Furious means very angry, extremely angry. So students, more about the lesson we will continue in our next class. So now it's time to take the homework. Write all the keywords from the lesson A Memorable Trip to Goa. Write in your English homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.